What up guys, it's your boy Richie and welcome to a new episode. This episode, I won't show anything because people be hitting me up and asking like, yo, it's Black Friday Richie, do you have any good website that I can shop on? So I was like, you know what, I'll do an episode for you guys and show you where you can cop like good items for a very good price. I have everything from clothes to shoes to accessories, and the first site with a big deal right now is Decor Stockholm. They're actually behind Bees Bracelets, and they actually have 50% of everything on the website. And as always, I will link everything down in the description, so don't worry. And let's go directly into shoes. A pair of shoes that I had my eye on a couple months is actually the brand called Nozams. They're having 30% discount on everything on their website, and the code there is Black Friday. Another brand from England called Rec London has 50% discount, and their code there is Black Friday. The reason why I'm having them is because their style is very clean, and I like the silhouette of the clothes they have, and I'm thinking about actually copying something from there. I don't know, I'll maybe show you guys. I Love Ugly, they're having 20% off on everything on the website, everything from shoes to jackets to sweatshirts. So go check them out, and I promise you that you will like their clothes. And another brand called Underrated, they're actually having 40% off on selected items on their website, and the code there is BF40. And another brand from US called Emblish, they're specialized in jeans. They're having 30 up to 50% off on the website. I'm actually gonna cop a pair of jeans from their website, and I'll probably show you guys in one of my coming videos what I copped. And another brand from the US called Profound, they're having 20% off on their website, and the discount code is Black Sale. I saw that they have really dope jackets, so check them out, and they're having 20% off. And another brand called Alessandrini New York are having 40 to 50% off on everything on the website. I actually copped a flannel shirt from them a couple weeks ago, and it's really dope. The quality is perfect, everything is top notch. From Rec London, I'll definitely cop something. I'm thinking about copping a hat from there. The Nozam shoes are very clean, something I would wear definitely. I hope you guys find the video helpful before everything gets sold out. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you take care. So peace out.